Understanding sole specification in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, sole specification. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning, but also how to use it in different contexts. So, let's dive in and decode sole specification together. Sole specification combines two powerful words, sole and specification. Sole means one and only, or exclusive. When we say something is the sole reason, we mean it's the only reason. Specification, on the other hand, refers to a detailed description or assessment of requirements, dimensions, or characteristics of something. When put together, sole specification refers to the only or exclusive set of criteria or details that something must meet. Understanding how to use sole specification in sentences can help clarify its meaning further. Let's look at some examples. The sole specification for the custom laptop was its unique, high-resolution screen. In the contract, the sole specification required for the project was the completion time. These examples show that sole specification is used to highlight that there is only one key requirement or detail that needs to be focused on or met. Knowing phrases like sole specification is crucial for effective communication, especially in professional or technical contexts. It allows you to be precise and clear about what is important or required. This phrase can be particularly useful in discussions about contracts, design requirements, or when specifying the critical attributes of a product or service. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, sole specification, and how you can use it in your conversations or writing. Remember, mastering phrases like this can greatly enhance your English communication skills, especially in formal or business settings. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you learn more English in our next video. Keep practicing, and see you soon.